Hello everyone, it's Alina. Welcome to my Soap General Hospital official channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. General Hospital spoilers recap for Thursday, January 11, revealed that Angela Brighton returned to Kelly's, where Maxie Jones arranged for her to hear all sorts of Bobby Spencer anecdotes for the story she was working on. Laura Collins, Lucas Jones, Scott Baldwin, Lucy Coe, Michael Corinthos, Jocelyn Jacks, Willow Corinthos, and Elizabeth Baldwin all turned up for interviews. The reporter went by Brighton and was astounded over all the stories she heard about Bobby. Maxie wished Brighton to stick around, but Brighton stated her superiors only authorized her to be in Port Charles for a short time. After Maxie glanced away for a second, she was surprised over Brighton vanishing so rapidly. In Amsterdam, Carly Spencer and Felicia Scorpio managed to track down Bobby's contact, Famke, who discovered that Bobby passed suddenly before she could arrange the safe departure of a human trafficking victim named Cornelia. Carly figured out that Cornelia was likely at the cabin Tracy Quartermaine suggested, so Felicia and Carly proceeded to Ontario, Canada. While Felicia was driving, Carly wondered why they never actually spent much time together before now, but their talk was interrupted when a moose led Felicia to apply the brakes. The car screamed off the road and wound up with a flat tire, so Carly helped Felicia change it as they got honest about why they'd never bonded. General Hospital recap. Thursday, January 11, Carly and Felicia's car accident, Angelic BJ Vanishes, Kelly's new name. Part of Felicia had resented Carly for the devastation she inflicted to Bobby and Tony Jones' marriage. Likewise, Carly had chastised Felicia for abandoning Maxie all those years. Carly and Felicia decided that it was time to forgive and joked about how it was probably Bobby's purpose for them to get close. Once Felicia and Carly made it to the cabin, Cornelia tried to attack them with a shovel and didn't trust that they were pals. Carly showed Cornelia a picture of Bobby and insisted that was her mom. Although Bobby passed away, Carly wanted to help Cornelia, and Felicia backed her up. Cornelia hugged Carly and accepted the offer, so Felicia got on the phone with Anna Devane for assistance with the asylum application. Anna was with Robert Scorpio, who was able to make all the necessary arrangements for Cornelia. Once Carly and Felicia made it back to Port Charles, Liz repaired a tiny gash on Carly's head that she sustained from the vehicle accident. Elizabeth claimed her offer still stood on restoring Kelly's sign, but Carly had another idea. The next morning, Liz brought the sign to Carly and obtained the mark of approval. Carly, Laura, and Lucas all thought it was wonderful, but GH viewers weren't shown the sign just yet. Lucas said his goodbyes to Carly since he had a trip to catch, but she pushed him not to be a stranger. At Maxie's residence, she was confused since Angela Brighton's business card had disappeared and she had zero web presence. Felicia pledged to dig into this, but the AP in Amsterdam had no record of someone working there by that name. Separately, Felicia and Maxie learned Brighton was actually BJ Jones on a heavenly visit, so Maxie touched her heart and shared an emotional moment with her mom once they reconvened. Outside Kelly's, Lucas noticed Brighton and thanked her for today, so she said anytime and called him champ. Lucas froze with his back turned as that was the nickname BJ used to call him. When Lucas turned back, Brighton aka BJ was gone. Thursday's episode closed with a montage of Bobby flashbacks and the introduction of Kelly's new sign, which showed that Carly had renamed it Bobby's. General Hospital spoilers predict Carly will try to find a road forward, so stay tuned for updates on all the important events ahead in her future. CDL will have additional excellent General Hospital spoilers, news, and updates to check out, so make us your one-stop GH source. General Hospital spoilers for Friday, January 12. State that Spencer Cassadine will visit Esme Prince at the police station as she's still being held in detention there. Esme will share a request and implore Spencer to please do this for her. Perhaps Esme will ask Spencer to watch over Ace Cassadine while she's dealing with her legal problems. It could put Spencer's Paris plans with Trina Robinson in peril, but she won't hold it against him if that's the case. Trina can be seen on Friday's preview video insisting that someone doesn't have to defend anything to her. Spencer has been trying to make Trina more of a priority, but she'll understand if Ace has to come first again for a bit. However, Nicholas Cassadine will wind up cornering Ava Jerome for another chat, one that might affect Esm's fate. Once Nicholas gets information on Ava pressing charges against Esm over the break-in, he may encourage Ava to drop them since he's got bigger retribution plans in mind. Nicholas wants to take Esm down at a party, thus she needs to be a free woman for that. Of course, it's also possible Esm may simply get out on bail, but Nicholas will meet with Ava for another chat regardless. It turns out Spencer will get an unexpected visitor of his own later, so will Nicholas finally confront him? If so, you can bet that'll turn into quite the showdown. At GH, Curtis Ashford will wonder what he missed during his surgery, so he'll hear the news about Trina's chance to study at the Sorbonne in Paris and push her to go for it. It appears like everything's going to come together for Spencer and Trina eventually, so that'll be something to celebrate as far as Stella Henry is concerned. There might be some hopeful indicators when it comes to Curtis regaining the use of his legs as well, though it could take some time before he knows if he'll be able to walk again. At Cafe Sherry, Diane Miller will dispute with Robert Scorpio over the allegations against Sonny Corinthos, so he'll be astonished when it sounds like she's delivering a threat. Back with Ava, she'll warn Nina Corinthos that when Sonny feels deceived, he's downright dangerous. That'll undoubtedly prove out to be true for Cyrus Renault, as Sonny will tell Dex Heller to wipe Cyrus out permanently. Sonny will warn that once Dex does something for him, there will be no turning back. Dex will have to determine if he can live with having Cyrus' blood on his hands, and he'll reportedly decide that he can since he'll continue forward with a murderous plot. General Hospital spoilers claim Dex will plan to do away with Cyrus with a deadly injection at GH, but some surprises are still to come in this storyline. CDL is where you want to be for fascinating General Hospital spoilers, updates and news, so make us your favorite location. General Hospital spoilers predict that Dex Heller will face a loyalty test when Sonny Corinthos makes a fresh demand. Sonny is tired of dealing with Cyrus Renault, therefore he'll urge it's time for his nemesis to meet a deadly outcome. When Dex discovers Sonny expects him to take Cyrus out, he'll try to reason with his boss. Dex will assure Sonny of his allegiance, but he'll argue that this may not be the smartest decision and hope Sonny backs down. However, Sonny will make it plain that he wants Cyrus gone for good. Dex got a chance to ease into his role in Sonny's organization, but now it's time to pull on his big boy mob pants and get the job done. There will be no turning back for Dex once he accepts this job, but he'll ultimately conclude he needs to obey orders and respect what Sonny wants. Of course, Dex will worry about morphing into someone more nasty once this task is accomplished. It'll leave Dex apprehensive about whether Jocelyn Jax will still love him the same when he crosses over into new terrain. This won't be a circumstance where Dex responds in the moment and fires to protect Sonny. It'll be a calculated circumstance that Dex has to prepare for it in more ways than one. Dex will reach out to Jocelyn over the phone with a final message before he moves forward. It'll offer Dex a chance to insist that no matter what happens, he'll always love Jocelyn and be grateful to her. From there, Dex will don some scrubs and hope he can blend in as a fake GH doctor. That'll make it easier for Dex to obtain entrance to Cyrus' room. Once Dex arrives, he'll be shocked by the presence of Nina Corinthos, but he won't let that stop his goals. Dex will merely wait till Nina's tense visit with Cyrus is ended before he creeps in. The idea will be for Dex to slip something lethal in Cyrus' IV by injection, but there'll be a significant problem. At that time, Sonny will start to have second thoughts about the order he's given. Sonny will try to get in touch with Dex after a conversation with someone alters his thinking. After Sonny's reservations win out, he'll work feverishly to contact Dex so he can call off the hit. So what do you guys think about this update? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please press like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.